Hey there folks, scottsdaletravelchick's Minion here once again with a short video of our hike in Ludlow PA, northwest Pennsylvania. We'd recommend you start on the eastern end of the trail near Olmsteadmanor at the corner of Route 6 and Overbrook Road. Park along Overbrook Road and you will see signs pointing you to the trailhead. You'll walk along the creek for just a bit, then come to a small bridge. That's the real start of the trail. The trail itself is called Bridle Trail. It's a beautiful little hike, about 1.2 miles one way, relatively flat through some nice old growth forest and partially along a creek called 2 Mile Run. As you walk along the trail, there are little orange hiking markers to keep you on track, although the path is pretty clear all along the way. There are a number of small bridges that make things interesting. Fun fact, the Bridle Trail got its name all the way back in the 1920s when it was used by Elizabeth Olmsted to walk her horses from her barn at Olmsteadmanor to Wildcat Park, where there used to be horse shows held back in the day. The west end of the hike finishes at Wildcat Park, where there's some exercise equipment if you need some more exercise, just like the Scottsdale Travel Chick. At this point, you can finish here or return the way you came. But remember, life's not a one-way street, but a series of decisions. So in this case, we recommend you decide to return back the way you came. Until next time, see you later.